Ever heard the phrase, "Don't drink your calories"? Dieters often forget to include their calorie, carb, sugar, etc. intake from what they drink during the day. Not to worry, Healthy Helpings has your back. We know it is important to provide you with healthy drink options along with our delicious meal recipes. Today, we have a blueberry smoothie recipe for you to begin your day or anytime you need a pick-me-up. We know your time is valuable, so let's get started. Keto Recipes presents Blueberry Smoothie. This recipe brought to you by DietDoctor.com. For nutrition facts, please see this video's description. The preparation and cook time for this recipe is about 5 minutes in total. This recipe makes 2 servings. Here's what you'll need to make this recipe. 3 ounces blueberries, fresh or frozen. Blueberries have few calories but are packed with nutrients, have one of the highest antioxidant levels of all common fruits and veggies, reduce DNA damage which protects against aging and cancer, are very good for your heart, may lower blood pressure, may prevent heart disease development, improve memory and preserve brain function, may have anti-diabetic effects, may help fight UTIs, and may protect muscles from damage after strenuous exercise. 14 ounces canned unsweetened coconut milk. Coconut may help reduce excess body fat, may encourage heart health, may promote blood sugar control, may protect cells from damage, and reduce risk of disease, and coconut milk assists lactation in women. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Lemon promotes hydration by enhancing the taste of water, a great source of vitamin C, supports weight loss through antioxidants, improves skin health, aids digestive processes, improves bad breath from strong odors like garlic, and helps prevent kidney stones. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Vanilla extract can be used to treat intestinal gas and fever, can be used as an aphrodisiac, and some people add it as a sweetener to prevent tooth decay. Optional. 1 tablespoon coconut oil or oil of choice. Coconut oil can encourage the body to burn fat, provides quick energy to brain and body, may help reduce risk of heart disease, may boost heart health, may have antimicrobial properties, may encourage the body to stay full longer, may reduce seizures, and may encourage the health of the skin, eyes, and teeth. Optional. Substitute coconut milk with 1 1/4 cup Greek yogurt. May need to add water as well if you prefer a more liquid-like consistency. Greek yogurt reverses depression, assists with weight loss, prevents yeast infections, supports digestion, and helps manage blood pressure. For this recipe, you'll need a blender. Always begin by washing your hands before handling ingredients, containers, and tools. First, place all ingredients in the blender. Now blend all ingredients together until a smooth consistency is achieved. Allow yourself a quick taste test. Add more lemon juice if desired. Serve your smoothies right away. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content and related videos. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.